So, Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra has just unceremoniously leaked in full on YouTube. After launching the regular Mi 11 in Europe, Xiaomi is expected to add a few more devices to the series: the Mi 11 Lite, Mi 11 Pro, and Mi 11 Ultra. While we've heard tidbits here and there about the Pro and Ultra models, a Filipino YouTuber has somehow gotten their hands on what seems to be the real Mi 11 Ultra. The video is currently set to private, but not before it was mirrored for everyone to watch. But before further ado, if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now let's get back to the video. So, the model number shown on the back matches a Xiaomi device that recently got certified by India's BIS and the Europe's EEC cryptographic device database. Previously, it was confirmed that the in-development Xiaomi flagship, code-named Star, will have a model name ending in K1. Thus, K1G may be the global variant of Star. In the video, we see two models, one in white color and the other in black. Both have periscope units, with 120x written on the right side, revealing the phone will be capable of doing 120 times zoom. However, the white variant has ultra-pixel AI camera written below 120x, while the black version reads 120x and some lens configurations instead. It's unclear why both units have different text, but that might be because either or both of them are prototypes. In any case, coming to the rear optics, the Mi 11 Ultra has a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Xiaomi has upgraded the periscopic zoom lens from 5 times optical, as seen on the Mi 10 Ultra, to 10 times optical in order to match the impressive optics of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Mi 11 Ultra is also equipped with Harman Kardon dual speakers and an in-screen fingerprint reader. It seems to be running on MIUI 12.5 global build. The images also show a tiny display next to the rear camera module. Specifications are unknown, but it might open any app on the phone and can be useful when taking selfies. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra has a 6.8-inch OLED screen with curved edges. It offers a WQHD+ resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The punch hole positioned at the upper left corner of the screen has a 20-megapixel selfie camera. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Mi 11 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.